Alright, I can't read German at all, but I do know that the story took place, I would think, in 1834. And what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So this is the card that is inside the cello for this PEZ Friendship Pipe. This one here is brown in color. It has some packets of candy. Now you can take the head, the little feather part off of the head, and there are two pieces there, and you would pour the candy in there, and then you could suck it through the straw and consume your candy. So that's the brown one. Down here is the red one. And then here we have one from, I guess this is the Asterix series. I don't have any paperwork for this one. As you can see, it's orange on this side with the blue removable cap. And then when we spin them around, yellow on this side. So some very cool non-dispenser items that I wanted to share with you. So until next time.